Hi Casey, my name is Brooke again with Snowdrop Digital Marketing. In this video, I'm going to show you a few tips and tricks on how you can enhance your online presence. These three things will optimize your website for Google. It will enhance your platform to convert more customers, and it will get more people to your website each month. All of this information is free. You can do them yourself, or if you feel like I have a lot to offer your company, feel free to reach out. We can schedule a short phone call to see if I can help you grow your business even more. Um, you do not have to do that if you want to try and do this yourself, but there's a lot of good information here. I know that it will bring a lot of value to you and your company. So the three things we're going to talk about are content, citations, and backlinks. Um, 95% of the time when someone needs a service, they are going to Google fencing in Wichita, Kansas. The first thing that pops up are the Google guaranteed ads here, which are great. It increases the trust for your customers, but a lot of people have ad blockers on, so you're missing out on quite a few prospects there. So there's the Google guaranteed ads, the regular Google ads, and then there is the Google My Business page. 30% of your business should be coming from your GMB. The remaining 70% should be coming from the organic listing or otherwise known as your website. So the first thing we're going to talk about is content. That is everything that you see on your page. It's the words, the images, what the image is saved as, and even the space behind the image. So what Google does is 24/7, they have these web crawling bots and they will scour over every single website on the internet, gather information, and then use that information to determine where to rank you on the search engine result page. Google prefers that you have at least 1,500 words on your website, and then they want your keywords to be sprinkled throughout the content that you have. The next thing that we're going to talk about is citations. A citation is a direct reference for your company's name, phone number, and address. You can find these on Facebook, Yelp, LinkedIn, Yellow Pages. This affects your ranking in maps. You don't want to stop at how many fencing Wichita has. You want to beat them by at least 50 or even 100 citations to really dominate them up there. Okay. So I have a web crawling site. It gives me an accurate idea of what kind of traffic we are generating with your website, and it will let me compare yours to your top three competitors in the area. What affects your ranking is not only content, but backlinks. A backlink is a reference from one website for a company to your website, pointing to you for a customer's business. You can think of it as a popularity contest. The more votes you have, the better. But not all backlinks are created equal. Whenever you go for backlinks, you want to go for quality over quantity. Um, and the backlink has to be relevant to the services that you provide. So you don't want to go to a cupcake shop looking for a backlink from their website. It's not going to bring any value to you. All right. So number one in the organic listings is Ready Fence. They have a lot of information on their website. And they have 2,000 keywords, and they are getting 1.5 thousand people on their website each month. You're probably thinking, okay, that's impressive, but why does it matter? It matters because 30% of those are converted into real leads. So it's like buying from Angie's List, but instead of investing in Angie's List and buying one lead that Angie's List sold to two or three more competitors in your area, you are generating your own leads with your own website. So as long as you convert the sale, it's exclusive to your business. Okay. We're going to look at fencing, Wichita, Kansas. They have a lot of good information as well. Now, I'm not dogging on Angie's List. They are great. But it can be a little frustrating when they sell you a lead and sell it to three other people and you paid for that lead and now someone else has their business. So that's just money that you lost. Then we have what's going on for their website. They have 271 keywords and they have 151 people on their website each month. Now, without the content, the backlinks do not bring much value. And the same thing the other way. Without backlinks, the content does not bring you much value either. Here we have Stevens Fencing. They have good information on their website. Not much, but it's still good information. They have a low power rating, a higher trust rating. They have 33 keywords on their website, and they are getting 72 people each month. Now this shows me they're not getting the best quality backlinks. They're getting very low quality backlinks. So while it's giving them some value, it's hurting them rather than helping them. Now, again, all of this information is free. You use it as you like. If you are interested in seeing if I can help you grow your business even more, please feel free to reach out and we can get on a short phone call and hopefully figure something out. Thanks for watching the video. Have a great day.